show you our factory.
We are factory for home use beauty equipment and laser beauty machines.
Let me show you our production line.
Quality spare parts.
This is our new design, styled laser. Let me show you our office. This is the showroom. Here is the general manager office, and here is the financial office and the social media office. This is our warehouse. We're always loading containers here. The warehouse maybe can load in 5 to 6 containers. This is the goods for our customers.